Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can blur in Filmora. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Filmora. So here is a clip. Then you simply need to go on to the effects and here you need to search for square blur and then you need to paste that onto the video like this. Let me make it a shorter. So now you can see that my video is blur, and if you want to change some settings, so you simply need to do as well. So here it is. So you need to double click on this effect, and if you want you can make size bigger like this or less like this, so it is up to you. So this is the process how you can apply blur effect in Filmora. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.